Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. Uh, this video is going to be about this mounting of a bipod. The brand name is Versapod. I didn't get it for free, I bought it. And also it has an adapter for two different kinds of handguards. This is standard military handguard. It has a bunch of holes on the bottom of it. This is a special handguard that has a sling swivel attachment, and I'm going to show you both of them. And in the interests of Froggy doesn't hide any of the bloopers, I already put these on, but I put them on backwards. This curvy part is obviously supposed to go here, so that if you had your hand up using the sling, you could put the web of your hand up against this curvy part. So I say that's good because it's going to give me a chance to take these off and flip them around and show you how it's all done. So let's do the one with the sling swivel attachment first. So I'm going to get the other one out of the way, and so I can film it better. Okay, so here we go. A lot of things on rifles or pistols in general, it's kind of nice to be able to do stuff with basic tools, not have to have some specialty tool. I'm going to flip this over so it's not resting on the adjustment for my very expensive scope. And let me check and see. That's still in frame. Good. All right, so this little button here will allow me to remove the sling, and I might have to push it in with a pen or something. Come on. There. Okay. That was a little bit hard, but not bad. As a side note, I want to tell you that this universal adapter that comes is available for the bipod. It has kind of a small sling size on this, and I just called them 10 minutes ago, and they said there is a bigger size available. That would have to have a sling width under an inch. Most of mine are about 1.25 inches, so I'm going to order one that will work with this, and it'll just be a little bit bigger. So anyway, that's first. Next, again with simple tools, just going to unscrew this piece here. It's a nut. It's like a special kind of a nut. Pull this off. Now here's where I'm going to show you how I installed this, even though I'm just moving it around. Alright. This is a pin that goes through here, and this comes off. Alright? That's a special part, and just a regular old pin. And this is part of the front handguard of the rifle. This came with the rifle, just screwed in like that. However, what I did do is I took this off and I put some blue Loctite on there and put it back on, and I made sure the angle of it was more or less that way. And that's it. I mean, that's how you put the thing on. So now you take this piece and it's got a steel pin there. Just put that in. That's just a hand fit, nothing special. Flip this around. Haha. Now once you put, oh, you got to be careful that pin doesn't fall out. See, it just fell out. That's okay. I like it when that happens because that shows you guys and gals what can happen. Put it back in there. I got to kind of hold one finger under there. Once I get this on, it captures the pin, so the pin can't go anywhere, obviously, as you can see. Now I'm just going to hope the pin stays there. And come on. Oh shoot, it's moving. There, I caught it. I'm trying to... You could put a little bit of tape or something on there, I suppose, and I might end up doing that. But let me just try one more time. Stay. Stay. Okay, that's it. I'm going to put a piece of tape on there. Hold on. Okay, this is just plain old shipping tape, and it's going to stay in there once we do this. There. And I'm going to put it on the bottom side, obviously. Yeah. Okay. Now, that won't go anywhere. Now I can put this on. Easier. Tighten this on. Now, I did not put any Loctite here because this, if you have a sling on it, it's going to hold it in one position so it can't back off. If you don't have a sling on it, you can still just tighten it up with your hand every once in a while if you need to. So now I'll show you how the bipod goes on. So I just took it off the other rifle, and the bipod can go on only one way because that little latch there has to go in this groove here, and you just pull this spring-loaded part, you get it on there like that, pull this, let me flip it over for you. I'm going to easily rest it on my adjustment for my mount, for my scope there, so I'm almost there. I pull that there, and that's how that goes. Now the legs, let me get it off that turret. The legs can either go back this way, or you squeeze them and move them, and they can go that way too. And this is going to be kind of loose like that as you carry it around. And once you deploy it, you put that where you want it. Put it up like that. These legs are adjustable for height. You go up one click. One click. I think I got 2 clicks there, so let's go one more, just so it's even. All right, and there it is. Let me adjust the camera a little bit. So I hope that helps you out. That's called Versapod, and the company, which is actually still in existence. I got this, I told you, like about 15 years ago. There it is. KFS, there's the phone number, and I paid for it. I didn't get it for free, but I'm putting this video up because I want to share it with you guys and gals. And I haven't actually used this much at the range, but I'm going to, and it looks extremely rugged, and it looks like it'll work. I will post in the comments if I have any issues with it. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. See you later, guys and gals. Froggy out. Bye-bye.